Soccer Aid fans have taken to social media to air their frustrations over the annoying vuvuzelas that were played by the audience. The Longhorns have caused havoc as many have found it distracting whilst trying to watch the football. One fan took to Twitter to write, "I thought he'd watch Soccer Aid as sometimes it's a good laugh. But whose idea was it hand out them annoying vuvuzelas? The absolute worst noise when trying to watch football, man. Guess I need a plan B. Sick," another added. "Can someone please take the vuvuzelas away from the crowd? FFS who the actual F through those were a good idea. BC they need sacking instantly. Sick, I wanna turn this Soccer Aid off already, with those fuck vuvuzelas." Sick, hosts Alex Scott, 38, and Dermot O'Leary, 50, could barely be heard over the loud sounds. Whilst it's unconfirmed whether fans brought the horns from home or if they were shared by the venue, many called for a ban on the item. Soccer Aid return this year with a star-studded cast as England 11 face Rest of the World 11. A crowd of up to 75,000 returned to Old Trafford to watch their favourite stars support and raise money for UNICEF.